Thank you for being here for the kickoff for the ISO Van Garage. So this is the kickoff. At the end of day 3, we will be identifying the 4 or 5 work streams to then deliver this service to the Optimus platform.
The garage that we're talking about is the future billing systems and how it should work.
Define a minimum viable kind of a product definition that the garage can start building.
Go in there and see what it looks like in the day of a customer.
It can help the customer to be more dearer to us.
I'd like us to think about how we create a wow factor, right?
Exactly.
That's the best one is to ease that load sharing burden.
Our job in this room, this team's job is to make it simple, but we will have to do a lot of complex things to make it simple.
Coming into this garage and then being able to design the customer journey, to be able to digitalize the entire process for our customers is amazing.
When you see so many cross-functional teams talking about all the problems we have and how do we solve it as one team is the best thing that can happen, and that will definitely have a huge impact on how customers starts looking at us.
We have engineering, product management, sales, service delivery, and assurance in the room. And everyone's contributing and at the same time chipping in with their concerns and suggestions. And I think that's what it takes to start to build the next generation digital experience for our WAN services, as well as other Tata Communication services.
Super excited to be part of it. It's great that we've managed to bring so many functions from across the organisation into one room. We've had some great conversations, great collaboration to actually be able to define what it is that we want to be able to do and how we're going to take this forwards.
And to see the kind of engagement that we have from multiple functions and how they are trying to make it more user-friendly, to design the customer experience for this very complex product of ours is really, it is learning for me.
We have now brought in the sales solutions, obviously product is there, but also the delivery teams, the assurance team, so that we can create an end-to-end journey for the customer.
We want them to come with their expertise, but leave their roles behind, right? So they're here because they have the knowledge, and that's why they're here. And it's a collaborative effort to get to the best possible outcome. And as we heard, and you heard in the garages, there's a lot of complexity. And one theme that came up was we need to simplify. Simple doesn't necessarily mean easy, right? So the garages have to solve a lot of complex problems to make it easy for both the sales teams and the customers to consume our services. And it's very exciting to see the cross-functional teams coming together. Sometimes these teams fight on the ground, this is not working, that isn't working, all of that goes away. Huge competitive edge and differentiation for Tata Comm. I think Optimus is really 10x customer experience.
I'm very hopeful, and I was very hopeful with Optimus team as well as the rest of the participating stakeholders to build a next generation experience to improve the way we engage customers and improve the way we sell.
It is recommended for everybody. If somebody gets a chance to do this, you should not miss out on it.